Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on HONOR X7b. So you have to start by opening your Google application and then click on your avatar and then click on Google account. Now click on data and privacy and then scroll down and click on delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. Now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and click delete account. Now your Google account has been removed, so let's recover it. So open, for example, Google Play and click sign in. Now you have to enter your email address. And as you can see, my account is deleted, and to recover my account I have to click next. And now I have to enter my password. Now click I agree. Now scroll down and click accept. And as you can see, my account is recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.